Hi, today we're gonna cook something easy and quick. Pag tamad ka and if you want something sa bahay, ito lang ang gawin mo. Napaka-easy lang. Bili ka ng ribs. So these are our ribs. Tomato sauce. Oyster sauce. 30 ml. Lalagyan natin mamaya. Soy sauce. 30 ml din mamaya. Then, lastly, our chili flakes to flavor them. So first, all we have to do is open our tomato sauce. Kasi, buksan natin siya. Isa sa pinaka ingredients na pwede natin ilagay. Lagyan natin yung tomato sauce natin. Whole can. We need that whole can to flavor the meat. Then, get our soy sauce. Make sure we put 30 ml. 30 ml. Hindi naman masyadong matapang yan. We'll add the flavor too. Plus, we're gonna have to put in our oyster sauce. We're scared of oyster sauce, pero we just don't know what kind of flavor it brings in sa Asian dish. So yan lang ang gagawin natin. And all we have to do is let it boil for maybe an hour 15, an hour and a half maybe. And that's it. So now we're gonna start to cook this dish. So maybe we could do a medium heat para mas masarap ang luto pag medium heat. So we'll see this within maybe an hour and a half. So it's been 20 minutes already. We're gonna check. So make sure na when it's rolling boil, we could lower the heat down at make sure na hindi tayo maubusan ng sabaw. So we could lower the heat to prevent it from getting burnt. So yun lang. So we'll come back later to check again. Then if you want to turn the meat, it's a good idea. Kung okay naman silang may sabaw, then it's okay naman kung ano. So we'll come back and check on it mamaya uli and we will see.